Hi, we are group number 12. We are going to present our project phase 4. We are doing phase 4B. So let's see. Okay, this is the first page that will be available in our web page. So it is the login page, and here the tenant and the customer can log in. So let's now look at the tenant login. Here we are giving the input as Praveen. So the tenant Praveen can either view, add or edit the objects, or he can view, add or edit the workflows. So for this phase of the project, we are going to concentrate on workflows. Okay, first of all, the tenant Praveen will have the current workflows will display all the workflows that are in the tenant's web page. So now the tenant can choose a workflow that is available in the templates. So we are providing the tenant with 5 default templates. So let's say that the tenant chooses template number 5. Okay, so the template number 5 will have 3 methods in the checkout workflow. So what we are going to do is we are going to select the template workflow number 5, workflow number 2. Okay, now he can view the checkout workflow here. It has 5. So depending upon the tenant's preference, he can choose any of the workflow. So he can also customize it by deleting the services or adding new service. So let's now delete the service tags. Okay, the tag service is deleted, and we can also change the sequence. Okay, at this point we'll save the changes. Now let's say that the tenant decides to include tags again. So what he can do is look for all these services, and here we can find that tags is available in number of workflows. So we'll go to the search services button. Here the ontology will contain all the description about the services. So when we enter tags as the keyword and click the search button, you will get all the applied tag services available within the website. So let's choose one of that. So we have applied tags URL here. This will be entered in the text box. We'll give a name to that service, and its applied tags as the web method, and the sequence will be 4 or 5. After we add that, we can change the sequence number, calculating the tags before calculating the grand total, and save the changes. In this way, the customer is able to modify and edit his workflow. It is highly customizable. And just like how we search for the services, we can also search for the workflows. Here the same concept of ontology is used. It will contain all the descriptions of the workflows. So when we click enter a value as tags, it will display all the workflows that contain the method tags in them. So we'll look at the workflow called checkout. In checkout, the method names are available, and like what I had told earlier, the tags method is available here. So using ontology, it displays the workflow which contains the tags method. Let's see how it is implemented by logging in as a customer. Okay, here let's log in as a customer for under tenant ASU. Okay, these are the products available for the tenant. He chooses to add a Sony Vaio laptop, 4 of them, and he adds to the cart 5 of this laptop to the cart. And let's view the cart now. Like this shows the page where all the products are added. We can even change the quantity at this. We'll save the changes and go to checkout. So here we have the option of applying some coupon code. We'll enter it as spring50 and apply the coupon code. So this gives the summary of the purchase. We'll proceed to payment. We'll enter the card number, CVV, the holder's name, billing address and shipping address. Just give some random value and we'll confirm the payment. So this is the invoice that is generated and the total calculated is 4499. So what we are going to do now is modify the workflow by logging in as the tenant. We'll make some changes. We'll remove the discount. So we'll log in as the tenant Praveen again. We'll edit the workflow, go to checkout. What we are going to do is delete the service called discount. As a result, the price is going to be higher than 4499. We have saved the changes. We're going to log in as the customer again and view the same cart. So we're going to log in under the tenant ASU. Okay, so we view the cart, same number of laptops, 6 and 5. We've saved the changes in checkout. We apply the same coupon code. And we'll proceed to payment. Again we are going to enter some cart value, CVV number, the holder's name, address, and confirm payment. So this is the new invoice that is generated. As you can see, the grand total is higher than 4499, which was present earlier. So this shows that our workflow can be modified and the customer can use a template. So this concludes our presentation. Thank you very much.